Did you know that our understanding of consciousness has been revolutionized by the multiple drafts model? This fascinating theory, proposed by philosopher Daniel Dennett, challenges traditional notions of how we perceive the world around us. Imagine you're watching a movie. You see a scene unfold, characters interact, and a story progress. But what if I told you that your brain is doing something similar right now? It's creating multiple drafts of reality, each one a slightly different interpretation of the information it receives. Let's take an example. You're in a room with a red light on one side and a green light on the other. The lights flash in quick succession. What do you see? A red light moving across the room and turning green, right? But how can this be when the second light hasn't even flashed yet? This is where the multiple drafts model comes in. It suggests that our brains create multiple interpretations or drafts of this event. One draft might be that the red light moved and turned green. Another might be that there were two separate lights. These drafts are not conscious experiences yet. They're like rough sketches, possibilities of what might have happened. It's only when one draft is written down in memory that it becomes our conscious experience. But here's the kicker. There's no central theater in our brain where this all comes together. There's no single place where a final cut of reality is screened for an inner self or homunculus to watch. Instead, consciousness is distributed throughout the brain, with different areas processing different information. So what does this mean for us? It means that our experience of reality is not a passive reception of information, but an active construction by our brains. We are not mere spectators in the theater of life. We are the directors, producers, and editors of our own reality. And that's the beauty of the multiple drafts model. It doesn't just explain consciousness, it empowers us to understand that we have an active role in shaping our perception of the world.